Lepe Tendwell Family, what's up? This is the weekly update. I'm Voltaire Lepe, CEO of Lepe Tendwell Properties, top 1% agent in the county. And this week has been an amazing week. We started off by getting 2 buyers into escrow, which is really tough in this environment because there's so many buyers and very little inventory out there. So that was cool. We had a 1031 exchange workshop, and I sacrificed playing hoops, my basketball game, just to do this workshop. So you know that I'm not just a social media realtor. You know, I take this very seriously. It was a good workshop. A lot of people enjoyed it. I'm buying another property. I'm actually going to go check out the bones today and see if it's any good, which is cool. It's a bittersweet moment because then I have to trade one of my smaller properties that I really like to get into this bigger property. My body feels good. I've been working out, for a while now. And this last week, no exception, worked out and feeling good. And, I started the week by volunteering down at the convention center. That was pretty cool. I like to put myself in situations where I'm able to grow and be humbled at the same time. So that was, a great experience for myself. And I'm always down to help some people out too. And my weekend plans, I'm going to go watch a high school basketball game, which is really cool because I've seen this kid since he was a little baby playing ball, and now he has one of his final high school basketball games. So I'm excited to be out there for that. I'm going to hit the gym Saturday morning and then go do some volunteer work. So that's my weekend. We'll see each other. Peace.